Open the butterfly valve to the half open and half closed position. Then place the butterfly valve on the test bench. Seal it with a clamp and clamp it with free cloth. Pressurize to fill up the water. Close the valve. Drain excess water. Clean up the excess water to avoid affecting the seal detection. The pressure tester pressurizes 18千克 and holds the pressure for a minute. Third-party inspectors supervise and inspect on-site, check whether the seal is leaking, and confirm that the inspection is correct. Vent the pressure and open the valve. Loosen the free cloth, remove the clamp, and take out the valve. Sealed without leakage. The test is complete.